After the age of 60, many people find that deep, restful sleep becomes harder to achieve. They've tried sleeping pills, melatonin supplements, and even soothing herbal teas. Yet their nights remain short and restless. Each morning feels as if they never truly rested at all. What might surprise you is that the key to restoring deep, rejuvenating sleep could be something already in your kitchen. The humble onion. An onion is more than just a cooking ingredient. For centuries, it has been valued as a natural remedy for promoting relaxation and supporting overall health. And today, science confirms that onions can help the body unwind, ease nervous tension, regulate serotonin levels, and naturally encourage deep sleep, all without medication. In this video, I'll show you 4 simple, safe, and effective ways to use onions at home to improve your sleep, with the final method offering noticeable results in just a few days. If restful sleep matters to you, make sure to watch until the end. Before we dive into the methods, it's important to understand why this ordinary vegetable can make such a big difference. Inside every onion lies a rich storehouse of nutrients and bioactive compounds proven to influence the nervous system and the body's internal clock. Onions contain flavonoids and saponins, natural sedatives that calm the nervous system, reduce anxiety and stress, and help you drift into a peaceful night's sleep. They're also rich in tryptophan, the building block for serotonin and melatonin, 2 hormones that regulate sleep cycles and promote deep, restorative rest. Additionally, onions contain phytoncides, which help slow the heart rate, steady the breath, and create a relaxed state before bedtime. A placebo-controlled clinical trial even found that onion extract rich in cysteine sulfoxide shortened the time it took participants to fall asleep and improve their quality of life within a short period. Powerful flavonoids like quercetin, camphorol, and naringenin also protect brain tissue from age-related decline, helping preserve healthy nerve function and regulate melatonin production, especially useful for those who wake frequently at night. Because of this unique combination of compounds, onions are one of the simplest and most natural remedies to help restore deep sleep, especially after 60. Now, let's explore the 4 most effective ways to use onions for better sleep, starting from the easiest. 4. Eat onions in the evening. Eating onions in the evening is one of the easiest and most natural ways to improve your sleep quality without making any major lifestyle changes. Simply add a small amount of onion to your dinner. Raw onions, about 30 to 50 grams, or just a few slices, can be mixed into a salad to retain their natural nutrients and crisp sweetness. If you have a sensitive stomach, opt for cooked onions instead. Eating up to 1 bulb a day, around 100 to 120 grams, divided between 1 or 2 meals, is gentle on digestion and particularly beneficial for older adults. Cooked onions still keep many of their active compounds that help the body relax and prepare for rest. After just a few evenings of including onions in your dinner, many people notice meaningful changes. They fall asleep more quickly, wake up fewer times during the night, and feel more refreshed in the morning. Plus, onions naturally enhance the flavor of food, so you can enjoy your meals more while using less salt and fat. It's a small, simple adjustment that can make a surprisingly big difference in restoring deep, peaceful sleep. 3. Place onions under your pillow. Placing onions under your pillow may sound strange, but this traditional method has surprising science behind it. When onions are sliced, they naturally release gentle aromatic compounds that spread into the air. These compounds help calm the nervous system, make breathing easier, and create a more relaxing atmosphere for sleep. The scent can also help keep mosquitoes and insects away, giving you a quieter night's rest. To try it, place half of a freshly sliced onion in a clean bowl beside your pillow. Replace it every 3 to 5 days to keep it fresh and hygienic. If the smell feels too strong, move it a little farther away until it's comfortable. This simple method takes almost no effort, yet can make your nights feel more peaceful and restful. 2. Keep a jar of crushed onions near your bed. If you're looking for a faster and more noticeable way to relax before bed, try keeping a jar of crushed onions near your bedside. This method works because when onions are crushed, they release the highest concentration of natural compounds such as phytoncides and tryptophan, both known for their calming and sleep-enhancing effects. These aromatic compounds gently spread through the air, helping your body unwind, easing nervous tension, and signaling the brain that it's time to rest. To try this, crush one medium-sized onion and place it in a clean glass jar. Open the lid right before bedtime and set the jar on your bedside table so the aroma can slowly fill the room. If the smell feels too strong, simply place it a little farther away and move it closer as you get used to it. Within just a few nights, many people report falling asleep more easily, waking up fewer times, and feeling more refreshed in the morning. It's an incredibly simple, natural remedy that requires no pills, no special tools, just the power of an ordinary onion to create a calm and peaceful sleeping environment. 1. Drink diluted onion juice before bed. The most powerful method for better sleep is drinking diluted onion juice before bed. Onion juice delivers active compounds directly into your body, helping to lower cortisol, the stress hormone, and boost melatonin levels for faster, deeper sleep. To make it, juice 1 medium onion and mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of the juice with about 100 milliliters of warm water. Drink it 20 to 30 minutes before bed, and always make sure it's diluted to avoid stomach irritation. If you have a sensitive stomach, take it after dinner instead. Many people notice results in just a few nights, falling asleep more quickly, sleeping more deeply, and waking up feeling lighter and more refreshed in the morning. This simple, natural remedy can truly make a difference in your sleep quality. While onions can be a powerful sleep aid, there are a few precautions to keep in mind. Avoid these methods if you're allergic to onions, take blood thinners, have IBS, or experience frequent heartburn. Never eat raw onions on an empty stomach, and always keep sliced or crushed onions clean, replacing them regularly to prevent bacteria buildup. If the aroma causes discomfort or irritates your eyes, simply reduce the amount or increase the distance from your bed. Remember, deep, restorative sleep doesn't happen by accident. It comes from sending clear, calming signals to your body at the right time. The humble onion, a simple ingredient in your kitchen, can become a gentle yet surprisingly effective tool to help you regain peaceful nights. You don't have to use all 4 methods. Just pick one that feels easiest to start tonight. Whether it's adding onions to your dinner, keeping them near your bed, or trying diluted onion juice, consistency is what matters most. Notice how your body responds, and over time, you may find yourself falling asleep faster, sleeping more deeply, and waking up feeling refreshed. If these tips help you, share your experience. Your story could inspire someone. Like and subscribe this video. Tell me in the comments, where are you watching from?